Alright, I got a couple more breaks here. 2 football breaks. This one's for Ian. Ian, what's up, man? Just talk to you on the emails there. You're going to do 05. 41. And 90. And then I got a platinum for Frank. Here we go. Devin Hester, 99, a rookie, Fua. Rookie, Jimmy Smith. Rookie, Drake Nevis. Who we have here? Michael LaShore. Lionhead, 299, auto. I think you're looking for Cam Newton in this one. Alex Henry. Bradford. I think you got a Bradford last time in the plates. Tom Brady. Cheetah Azawanmunga. Rookie, Stephen Burton. Rookie, Christian Ballard. Rookie, Jordan Cameron. Julio Jones, not numbered, and Prince Mukamara. Von Miller, numbered to 500, Razzie Dowling. Rookie, Denarius Moore. A jersey, Blaine Gabbert. Gets the start against the Panthers this week. We'll see how he does. $2.99. Terrell Pryor. Quan Sturdivant, number to 49, Nate Solder. Rookie, Richard Gordon. Rookie, Dwayne Harris. Havili, rookie. Johnny White. This is flat. Is it a hit? Or isn't it? Yep, it is. Oh, cool. One of those jumbo pack. Dang, Taiwan Jones. These are emerald, I think, to 5. Oh, 10. 2 of 10. Jumbo patch. This is the Johnny Lee Higgins of 2011. Taiwan Jones. Him and Bilal Powell. Stephen Pyatt. Cool looking card, though. Christian Ponder. Oh, and a rookie, Julius Thomas. Longevity, Chimbi Chuka, 249, Alan Bailey. Mike Pouncey. Taiwan Jones, imagine that, 500, Colin McCarthy. Rookie, Anthony Costanzo. Wait a second here. Well, they got 3 hits, so this should be one. We hope. Yep. Andy Dalton. jersey. $2.99. And Derek Sherrod. Okay. Next up, Rookies and Stars, round 2. Right out of the gate, Luke Stalker. Autograph to 300. Dante Mott. Rookie Scotty McKnight. Something in here. Patch autograph. DeLon Carter. Number to 25. Rookie patch auto. Akeem Ayers. Rookie Jarvis Jenkins. Rookie Braylon Edwards, 249. Martez Wilson. Rookie Chimbu Chuka. Or Siambu Kuka or something like that. Beanie Wells, 99 I think. No, 249. Akeem Dent. Titus Young, Studio Rookies to 500, Quan Sturdivant. Rookie Marvin Austin. Rookie Virgil Green. Studio Michael LaShore, Titus Young. Number to 500, Chris Conti. Quentin Carter. James Carpenter. Raheem Moore. That's that one or two per box kind. Rookie Dion Lewis. Bilal Powell. Steven Wisniewski. This one feels pretty fat. Oh, patch. Tom Brady. It's a nice one. Number to 50. And Luke Stalker. Oops. Blaine Gabbert and Cameron Hayward. Cameron Jordan. Let's see here. Rookie of Pernell McPhee. And a jersey of Mark Ingram. $2.99 of $2.99 on that one. Phil Taylor. Michael Vick, 99. DeMarco Sampson. Alrighty, I'm bringing it home here, man. 2 packs left on this one. Rookie David Osbury. And longevity Joe Webb, 99 and Sam Otto. Alright. Last pack. And And it is. Pretty. Card 212. Rookie signature patch 212. $4.99. Jeremy Maclin. Oh, the logo wore off on the Tampa. I don't know if you can see that. The red wore off. Kellen Winslow, $4.99. Jared Overdick, $2.99. No, $50 on that one. Des Bryant, $2.99. Jonathan Stewart to $50. Anthony McCoy, $4.49. Another redemption. Rookie, $1.93. And a jersey, Antonio Gates, $2.99. Let's see who you got here. $1.93 is going to be Taylor Mays. There we go. And $2.12 is Emmanuel Sanders. So that'll be Emmanuel Sanders patch autograph. Alrighty, I'm going to do a little recap for you and then it's done. Bam. Jersey, patch, auto, jersey, auto patch, auto. So you got Blaine Gabbert jersey, Andy Dalton jersey, $2.99 of $2.99, Mark Ingram jersey, Antonio Gates jersey, $1.93 redemption, which we just looked at and I just forgot. Taylor Mays, I think. $2.12, which was we just looked at. Emmanuel Sanders. Tom Brady, that was a patch auto in that one. Tom Brady patch. DeLon Carter patch autograph, number to 25. Taiwan Jones jumbo patch, number to 10. Michael Ashore Lions patch auto. Luke Stalker auto, and Anthony McCoy auto. So there it is, Ian. I appreciate it, bro. And I will get these over to Canada for you first thing Monday morning. See ya.